Spotting cancer early can make a big difference in treatment. Sometimes, your body gives you signs that something might be off. You might feel feverish, notice weird breathing sounds, or feel extra tired. But did you know there are simple tests you can do at home to catch these signs early? Here are 6 easy DIY tests you can do to keep an eye out for warning signs of cancer. Remember, it's always best to see a doctor for a proper diagnosis, but these tests can give you a heads up. Spotting cancer early can be tricky since its symptoms often mimic those of common illnesses, but never brush off any symptom, especially if it sticks around or gets worse over time. Keep an eye out for extreme tiredness, fever, or sudden weight loss. They could be signs of something bigger going on inside. Cancer can be a mysterious attacker, messing with your immune system and how your body uses energy. Sometimes it releases stuff into your bloodstream that can cause issues like blood clots or wonky calcium levels, leaving you feeling dizzy and weak. Remember, the signs you experience can depend on where and how big the cancer is, but catching it early gives you a better shot at kicking its butt. That's why it's crucial to stay on top of checkups and specific tests, especially if cancer runs in your family. 1. Unexplained weight loss. Unexplained weight loss isn't just about shedding a few pounds. It's about dropping a noticeable amount of weight without any effort on your part. Picture this. You step on the scale and find that you've lost 10 pounds or more, but you haven't changed your diet or exercise routine. This type of weight loss can set off alarm bells because it often indicates that something is amiss internally. It's like your body is trying to send you a message saying, "Hey, pay attention." Cancers of the esophagus, stomach, lung, or pancreas can sometimes hide behind this symptom, making it crucial not to ignore it. Keep a journal of your weight fluctuations. Weigh yourself regularly, ideally at the same time each day, and track any significant changes. If you notice a persistent and unexplained drop, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms like fatigue or changes in appetite, it's time to have a chat with your doctor. While weight can naturally fluctuate, unexplained weight loss, particularly when it's significant and consistent, should prompt further investigation. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your health. 2. Fever. Fever is your body's way of fighting off infection or illness. However, when it comes to cancer, fevers can be a bit trickier to spot. They might not always come with the typical symptoms like a stuffy nose or sore throat. Instead, they might show up unexpectedly, often at night, leaving you feeling sweaty and uncomfortable. Fevers associated with cancer can be a sign that the disease has progressed or spread to other parts of your body. This can lead to persistent or recurrent fevers that don't seem to have an obvious cause, like a cold or flu. Invest in a reliable thermometer and make a habit of checking your temperature regularly, especially if you're experiencing other symptoms like night sweats or unexplained weight loss. If you notice persistent fevers, don't hesitate to bring it up with your doctor. Fevers can sometimes be your body's way of signaling that something more serious is going on. While they can be caused by various factors, including infection, it's crucial not to dismiss them, especially if they're persistent or recurring. 3. Fatigue. Fatigue associated with cancer isn't just feeling a bit tired. It's an overwhelming sense of exhaustion that doesn't improve with rest. It's like your body's energy levels have hit rock bottom, leaving you struggling to get through the day. Cancer can drain your body's resources, using up nutrients and leaving you feeling depleted. This kind of fatigue isn't something you can power through with a nap or a cup of coffee. It's a persistent feeling of weariness that can impact your daily life. If you find yourself struggling to keep up with your usual activities, or if you're feeling constantly run down, it's worth paying attention to. Fatigue can sometimes be an early indicator of underlying health issues, including certain types of cancer. Listen to your body. Keep track of your energy levels throughout the day and note any patterns or changes you observe. If you notice persistent fatigue that doesn't improve with rest, it's essential to discuss it with your doctor. Fatigue, especially when it's severe and unexplained, shouldn't be ignored. It could be your body's way of signaling that something needs attention, so it's essential to take it seriously and seek medical advice if needed. Your health is worth prioritizing, and early detection can make a significant difference in treatment outcomes. 4. Pain. Pain can be your body's way of signaling that something isn't quite right. While occasional aches and pains are normal, persistent or unusual pain could be a cause for concern, especially if it's not responding to typical treatments. Certain types of pain can be warning signs of cancer. For example, testicular or bone cancer may cause specific pains in those areas. A headache or migraine that refuses to budge, even with medication, might hint at a brain tumor. Persistent back pain could be a sign of cancers like rectal, ovarian, or colon cancer. Pain associated with cancer can sometimes indicate that the disease has spread to other parts of the body, a process known as metastasis. This can make treatment more challenging, highlighting the importance of early detection. Pay attention to any persistent or unusual pains you experience. Keep track of where the pain occurs, how intense it is, and whether it's getting better or worse over time. If you notice any concerning patterns or changes, it's essential to discuss them with your doctor. 5. Skin changes. Your skin can reveal a lot about your health, including potential signs of cancer. While many skin changes are harmless, certain alterations should prompt further investigation. Skin cancer can manifest in various ways, including jaundice, a yellowing of the skin and eyes which can be a sign of liver issues, including liver cancer. Excessive hair growth or hyperpigmentation. Changes in hair growth patterns or skin coloration may indicate underlying hormonal imbalances or skin cancer. Itching, reddened skin, or sores that don't heal. These symptoms can sometimes signal skin cancer or other underlying health issues. Performing regular self-examinations can help you spot any changes in your skin early on, increasing the chances of successful treatment. Even if you're diligent about sun safety, it's essential to remain vigilant and monitor your skin for any suspicious moles, lesions, or other abnormalities. Set aside time each month to conduct a thorough examination of your skin. Use a mirror to check areas that are difficult to see, such as your back and scalp. Look for any new or changing moles, lesions, or skin abnormalities. If you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to consult your doctor for further evaluation. 6. Change in bowel habits or bladder function. Changes in your bowel habits or bladder function can sometimes be indicative of underlying health issues, including certain types of cancer. Long-term constipation, diarrhea, or alterations in stool size may signal colon cancer. Similarly, pain or discomfort when passing urine, blood in the urine, or changes in bladder function could be related to bladder or prostate cancer. This includes needing to urinate more or less frequently than usual. Detecting changes in bowel or bladder function early on can lead to timely intervention and improved treatment outcomes. It's essential not to ignore any persistent or significant changes, as they could be potential warning signs of cancer or other health issues. Keep track of your bowel movements and urinary habits. Note any changes in frequency, consistency, or any accompanying symptoms like pain or blood. If you notice any concerning changes that persist for more than a few days, it's important to bring them to the attention of your doctor for further evaluation. And while you're prioritizing your health, why not visit our sponsor, HealthKick? We offer a range of products to aid your wellness journey, including health awareness and support items as well as fitness gear. Visit our store at HealthKick Store to explore their range and take steps towards a healthier you. Stay informed, stay proactive, and take control of your health. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.